Little video of the engine running. I filled it with water. Perhaps you can see in the sight glass it's about half full. Plug it in now, let it warm up. As I mentioned in my listing, the previous owner created some very slick little parts here that can go on to catch the condensate that comes out of the engine itself, and the steam will still rise out of this tube. We'll see that here in a moment. The Jensen Model 5 is the only reciprocating piston they made with an exhaust pipe, so it's kind of an unusual beast. I'm going to close off the siren just to help build the pressure. I'm also going to close off the steam line going to the engine itself. While this is warming up, you should apply some oil. I will include what's left of this here along with the steam engine if you should be the winner. Doesn't take much, just a bit of a drop on each one. I'll also include this cup for being able to add water more easily. It is getting warm, but I'm sure it's not up enough for steam, so I'll just open this up and watch it for a moment. We should see it start to try and move on its own here. Once the steam pressure does build up, you just need to give it a little spin on the flywheel. You can see this flywheel does have the groove. Jensen and I can't remember, Wilesco I think is another brand name. They make spring belts that can be joined together, and you can use them to run any number of small toys that go with this, little machine shops and saws and drill presses and all kinds of neat little toys. Not quite. It is getting very warm though. While this is warming up, I'll give this a little spin so you can get an idea of some other angles of it. There are no cracks or breaks on the flywheel or on any of the castings. There are no water leaks. I did replace all the gaskets in the sight glass on the pressure relief. There you can hear. I don't know if you can hear it start to sizzle. Just close this off and try and build some pressure. So it is building pressure in there. You can hear the siren work. There. Water logged in the pipe. And that's part of what this piece is good for. Oops, sorry, this piece. Let's slow this down. Let me get this on here to catch the condensate. There. You can see very slowly it's running right now. We can easily adjust the speed by adjusting the and it does spin. Get this water off the board. And that is it running. Like I mentioned earlier, there's the steam whistle. It's also the pressure relief valve, which I can't really do here, but that would pop up if it were to get to be too high a pressure in there. I don't know, I kind of like to watch it run at a very slow speed. And when you're running some toys, this is about the right speed I found to have them running at. With this amount of water, I think it'll run probably about a half an hour. So thank you for watching.